subject of class 10th standard. So in social science subject we are going to study history section, the first lesson, that is advent of Europeans to India. So in this video we will learn the trade relationship with European countries, then the arrival of European countries. So these all points we will cover in this particular video. So here India is the richest country in all sources, in natural resources and as well as in the agricultural resources. So this was the main reason to attract the Europeans to do trade business with India. So here along with this, the chiefly available commodities of India like spices like pepper, ginger, cardamom and other commodities has got a great demand in Europe. So Europe, it is a cold continent. So here what happened? There was a great demand for the spices. Okay children, then these spices were only produced in India itself only, and these products were exported to Europe through land route. Okay, that was via Persian Gulf, Red Sea and other land routes, Bolan and Khyber. So these two passes were only the land route which joined Asia to Europe. Okay children, then here Italy had the monopoly over Asia, Arab and European commercial activities. So Italy was the only cause, it was the only reason. So here whatever goods that has been purchased in India with a cheap rate by some merchants, that all whatever goods or the commodities of India that has been sold in European market to the double rate. The route has been founded by the Portuguese. Portugal was the only country which is the first one for it has been supported for sailing. Okay. Then here the scientific invention like meridian, compass, gunpowder, maps and other naval equipments helped sailors to navigation. So, is there any question? One good question will be there. We are going to find out the sea route to India. Then, what is the use of scientific inventions? Here, children, scientific inventions, whatever the scientific materials were there, that has been very much helpful for the sailors. Okay. Then, meridian compass, that will find out the route. Then, gunpowder. So, if a new persons, they will arise in a new land, then what will happen here? There will be a suppression, there will be a question, who are you? And there will be clashes. To stop all these things, what happened here? The sailors have to use the gunpowder to suppress them. Next, maps and navigation equipments help the sailors to find out the new route, and it proved very much helpful for the navigation purposes. Next, along with this, the wealth of Asian countries and ambition of Christian missionaries. So, here Asian wealth was more, and the Christian missionaries, they were eagerly waiting to spread Christianity each and everywhere. So, this was also a reason to find out the new sea route to India. Then, Christianity and ambitions of European kings were the major causes for the navigational activities. Next, the capture of Constantinople proved that the rich cities of Italy lost their commercial value. So, here the Constantinople has been captured by the Ottoman Turks. So, if you want there was a condition. If Italy has to do business with India, so the only route was Constantinople. So, if this route has been used, then they have to pay the taxes. So, without paying the taxes, they can't use that route. So, here, which proved loss for the Italians. So, because of this reason, so the commercial activities of the Italy has been stopped. Okay. Next, they lost their values. The activities of Prince Henry of Portugal also boosted war navigation. So, the Prince Henry, he also supported for the navigation because there was a huge wealth in the Asian countries. So, this was also a reason. The entry of European to India. So, in 1498, Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama discovered sea route to India. So, he reached India through Calicut. Okay. Then, after Portuguese, the Dutch, the English, the French, these all Europeans came to India. Then, Portuguese enjoyed trade monopoly over sea route between Asia and Europe, established by Alfonso de Almeida. So, he was the Governor General of Portuguese. Okay, children, and he called it the whatever policy he would have implemented. So, here the trade monopoly which has been over sea route, that has been established by Alfonso de Almeida. So, this policy has been called as the Blue Water Policy. Then, Alfonso de Albuquerque, who came after Almeida, so waged war against the Sultan of Bijapur in 1510 and captured it. Next, with the arrival of British, the Portuguese and the Dutch lost their trade center and British established trade monopoly in India. So, how they established a trade monopoly? Okay, then Mughal emperor and local chiefs were sanctioned trade center to British. So, Jahangir, he first sanctioned trade center followed by Farrukhsiyah. So, in the early part of 17th century, British fought with other European and local kings to establish trade monopoly. So, this was the situation, children. And next, Dutch were also came to India and they belonged for Netherlands. They established Dutch East India Company in the year 1602. So, their warehouse, they also established warehouse in Surat, Bharuch, Bombay, Kochi and Nagapattinam. Okay, then English. So, English will also establish warehouses. The Mughal Emperor Jahangir issued royal permission to English to establish their first warehouse at Surat. Don't forget, children, the first warehouse has been established in Surat. Then in 1617,